Whether you're brand new or a seasoned pro, eXp Realty just dropped another game changer. As of May 1st, 2025, the new co-sponsorship program lets new agents join with not one, but two sponsors. Yep, double the support, double the strategy. Once again, eXp is out here lapping traditional brokerages by making moves that actually benefit you, the agent. This new twist means you can choose both a powerhouse sponsor team packed with free resources and organized value, and a local sponsor who's boots on the ground and gets your market. The message: eXp wants agents to win. But here's the catch: only agents who are paying attention, hi, that's you, will even know this is a thing, let alone how to use it to their full advantage. So let's get into it. What is eXp's co-sponsorship program really? Well, it lets new agents name both a primary sponsor and an optional co-sponsor. The primary sponsor is the person you choose or team during onboarding. eXp defines them as the one who most influenced you to join. But let's be real, you want someone who's bringing serious free value to the table. Think free training, support systems, people who'll spend their time and money for your success, not just your friend or someone who said eXp is great, you'll love it. Co-sponsor. This is optional and gets added after onboarding. You'll likely want someone local for this, someone who knows your market, can meet up in person, or just makes the whole eXp experience feel a little more grounded. But you can also just name a friend if you're looking to pass them some free money. Basically, you can mix and match sponsor choices based on your needs and goals. Need help growing your production with social media? Want a sponsor with a supercharged community? Craving a team that's already built the system and is ready to plug you in so you can start earning passive income? Yeah, Smart Agent Alliance checks all those boxes, just saying. The bottom line, eXp knows that agents who join well-organized sponsor teams are more successful and satisfied, but they also know agents still want their local connection. Now you don't have to choose, you can have both. By the way, I'm Doug Smart, team leader and full-stack developer at eXp sponsor team Smart Agent Alliance, where we provide more free team value than anyone else in the real estate business. Our record-breaking eXp sponsor team is growing every week. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. Before we go on, let's answer the question every skeptical agent asks: why would another eXp agent help me for free? The short answer: there's no saints, they're smart. Thanks to eXp revenue share model, agents who bring others into the company get paid by eXp, not by you. Yeah, your sponsor earns a slice of the company dollar, not your commissions, for supporting your success. So helping you isn't just nice, it's profitable. By the way, if you don't know about eXp's revenue share model, now's the time to check out how revenue share works and how it can earn you loads of money while at the same time setting you up with willable income that you can also keep in retirement. Okay, we know you're not likely joining eXp because of revenue share, but trust us, once you see how lucrative it can be, you'll want it. It's time to understand it now so that you don't blow this opportunity of your primary sponsor choice. Before you start tossing names on your eXp sponsorship form like darts on a board, let's break down what you need to know about how eXp sponsorship works. At eXp, your sponsor line runs 7 levels, like a family tree if your relatives got paid when you succeeded. But here's the dirty little secret: some eXp sponsor uplines are more like ghost hounds. Maybe you've got 7 layers of paper, but 6 of them are retired MIA or only reply "sounds good" to every question. You're basically solo. That's why choosing the right primary sponsor is key before you start filling out your forms. Just because someone is your eXp sponsor doesn't mean they're obligated to lift a finger. Being your sponsor gets them a cut of eXp's company dollar, not your commission, but it doesn't require them to answer a single email, text, or desperate late-night question about your first listing appointment. So ask yourself, if a sponsor isn't offering clear value, why am I giving them free income? The best sponsor actually shows up, offers support, and helps you thrive. Shocking concept, we know. So how do you choose a primary sponsor? This one really counts. Think of your primary eXp sponsor as your golden ticket, and you only get one shot at it. You'll only get access to their upline, not your co-sponsors. So if you want layers of organized, actually there when you need them humans who deliver real value, not just hype, your primary sponsor needs to be part of a serious sponsor team, not just a solo agent winging it. Let's be honest, no single agent has the time, money, or systems to support you like a group of organized agents can. When you choose a sponsor team with a full value stack and strong upline, you're setting yourself up for way more than just a welcome call. So what should you look for in a power powerhouse sponsor Upline. Here's what agents say they actually want once they join: a value package that they actually receive, a community because everyone performs better and is happier with a sense of belonging and connection, a production support that provides the best strategies and evolves with the market, not something stuck in 2019, and revenue support, the kind that builds you passive income without stealing your production hours. Want a plug and play example? If you name Smart Agent Alliance as your primary sponsor, you get all of that. Not just hype, actual strategy, support, and a community that shows up. Once you've signed up with eXp and locked in your primary sponsor, you've got 5 days to name your co-sponsor. If you don't already have someone in mind, hit up the eXp agent directory. You can filter by location, reach out to local agents, and find someone who fills in the gaps. Just keep your expectations realistic. Your local co-sponsor is also your competition. So if you're hoping that they'll hand over their secret lead gen playbook, yeah, probably not happening. And don't forget the key difference from your primary sponsor. Your co-sponsor is always just one person. You do not get access to your co-sponsor's upline. That means any value they bring is entirely up to them, not a team, not a system, just them. Look for someone who has the time and actual willingness to support you. And here's the good news. If you realize later that your co-sponsor is all talk and no follow through, you can request a change. But the change is not guaranteed. There's a process and you'll need a valid reason. Let's clear this up. Your eXp co-sponsor and your mentor are two totally different roles. Even if they're both local agents and both technically replaceable if things go sideways, if you're brand new, less than 3 deals in the last 12 months, eXp automatically assigns you a local mentor to guide you through their first 3 transactions. That mentor is required, sticks with you for your first 3 only, and costs you an extra 20% commission, 10% to the mentor, 10% to the mentor program on each of those deals. A co-sponsor, on the other hand, is completely optional, totally free, and can be by your side for your entire eXp career. They're there to support your growth, not take a cut of your checks. So how do you lock in the right sponsor? First, you have to pick an awesome primary sponsor team, not just someone who says hi once and disappears into the clouds. You want a team that actually shows up with real support, systems, and strategy. Do your research online to find them and be clear about what they offer you. When you fill out your eXp application, you'll need to name a specific agent as your primary sponsor. For our team, that's one of our founding members, aka me, but here's the twist. You'll find me under my first name, Sheldon Smart. Doug's actually my middle name, and yeah, they won't change it because it's, my legal name. But anyway, so yeah, type in Sheldon Smart as your sponsor to lock in access to everything Smart Agent Alliance and the Wolfpack offers. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, you'll also want to consider a co-sponsor. Remember, they are optional, but if you want to reach out to one, you're gonna have to do that in the first 5 days. Easy enough, just don't rush the choice. This is your career we're talking about, not a group project where you do all the work. Picking your eXp primary sponsor is about who's going to help you in the 3 things agents want most: community, production support, and passive income revenue share support. With Smart Agent Alliance as your primary sponsor, you get all of that. We invest our time, energy, and money for you to gain passive income with eXp's revenue share program. We provide a branded agent attraction webpage for you to recruit agents passively, webinars to attract and close your prospective agents, one-on-one meetings to help your potential agents with their questions, a value-packed agent attraction email drip campaign for your prospects to keep you top of mind, and our high-performance agent attraction website itself, ranked number 2 in organic traffic across all eXp sponsor teams, which explains the model clearly and converts visitors without the fluff. Who else is using their own time, energy, and money to earn you passive income that can last forever? And with us, you're also a part of the Wolfpack, who provide elite training, culture, and collaboration, 2 weekly strategy meetings, and 1 exclusive women's mastermind, the kind of agent community that keeps you motivated, sharp, and ahead of the curve. Mike Sherrod's Social Agent Academy Pro that teaches everything social media, plus a weekly coaching call to keep you on track. All of that valued at $10,500 and is sold for $1,000 a year. Training courses in flipping, production, CRM, and agent attraction that show you how to scale and not just survive. And private access to the Wolfpack's school group and WhatsApp chats for referrals, advice, and team-only perks. And there's even more from Smart Agent Alliance. We also throw in 8 customizable landing pages with built-in email automation, hundreds of done-for-you marketing templates from business cards to buyer-seller guides, quick start strategy plans for new agents and leads, personal onboarding to get you launched fast, and all of this you can find in one place. our agent portal that simplifies everything: eXp, SAA, and Wolfpack resources, all of it in one place. To sum it up, you could pick a random eXp primary sponsor and hope they'll answer your text, or you can choose a primary sponsor that has already built the engine, so all you have to do is drive. But make no mistake, you can only get this immense value by signing up with a founding member of Smart Agent Alliance as your primary sponsor, because you really do need this awesome upline of hardworking, supportive, giving agents. To learn more about eXp and our sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, here are more videos which should be showing up right about now. Subscribe to keep getting this info, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.